Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a staple of household convenience, the Amazon Basics Everyday Paper Plates. If you're looking for the best plastic plates for parties or everyday use, stick around. Because we're about to break down everything you need to know. These paper plates come in a pack of 150, each measuring 10 inches in diameter. They're designed for practicality, durability, and ease of use, making them suitable for a wide range of occasions from picnics to parties. Made from sturdy paper, these plates are both microwave safe and cut resistant, ensuring they hold up well to a variety of meals and uses. Perfectly sized for dinners and parties alike, these plates are a convenient option for both indoor and outdoor gatherings. Manufactured in the USA, they meet high standards for quality and reliability. Whether you're planning a picnic or hosting a backyard barbecue, these plates offer the convenience of disposability without sacrificing durability or style. While there are other options out there, the Amazon Basics plates stand out due to their combination of quality, affordability, and convenience. We tested these plates with various foods, from burgers to salads, and found that they held up exceptionally well without leaking or bending. Users appreciate the reliability of these plates, particularly noting their strength and suitability for various meal types. In conclusion, if you're in the market for reliable, versatile paper plates that won't break the bank, the Amazon Basics Everyday Paper Plates are an excellent choice. Whether it's for everyday use or special occasions, these plates deliver on both quality and convenience. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations from Product Critique.